Bayes classifier algorithm. What is meant by Bayes algorithm? It is supervised algorithm which is based on Bayes' theorem and used for the solving classification problem. It's mainly used in the text classification that include the high dimensional training text data. Bayes classifier is one of the best, simple and most expensive classification algorithm which help in the building the fast machine learning model that can be make the quick predictions. It is probabilistic classifier, which means it predict on the basis of the probability of an object. Some popular examples of Bayes is sham filtration, sentimental analysis and classification articles. Why it is called is the Bayes. Bayes algorithm is compressed to words Bayes and Bayes, which is described as Bayes is called is because of assume the accuracy of certain feature independent of the accuracy of the other features, such as its refuge identification on the basis of color, shape and taste, and then red, spherical and sweet fruit is recognized is an apple. Hence, each feature individual contribute to identify that the apple without depending on each other. Biases. It is called biases depend on the principal Bayes theorem. Bayes theorem we are studying in higher standard studies. Yes. Bayes theorem. Bayes theorem is known as the Bayes rules or Bayes law when it is used to determine the probability of hypothesis which prior knowledge. It depend upon the conditional probability. This is the formula for Bayes theorem. P of a by b is equal to P of b slash a into PA by PB. Here PA is the post-test probability with the hypothesis of the observed event B. B of A is the likelihood probability. Probability is evidence of the given probability hypothesis true. PA is the prior probability of the hypothesis before observing the evidence. BF is the marginal probability of the evidence. How it's working the Bayes classifier. And the working of the Bayes classifier can be classified and understood the help with below the following. Okay, this is the works how to work in the Bayes theorem. Yeah, this is good. Now we are discussing about advantages of Bayes classifier. Bayes is one of the fastest and easiest ML algorithm to predict the class of data set. It can be used with the binary as well as multi-class classification. It performs well in the multi-classification predictions compared to other algorithms. It is most popular choice to text classifier problems. Advantages of Bayes classification. Bayes assumes that all features are independent or unrelated, so it cannot learn the relationship between features. Then we are going to discuss about applications of classifier. It is used to predict the scoring. It is used to the medical data classifications. It is used to real-time prediction because of Bayes is the eager learner. It is used to textile classification such as the spam filtering and sentimental analysis. Then types of Bayes: the Gaussian, multi-polynomial, Brownian. The Gaussian model assumes that the feature following the normal distribution. It means the take the continuous value instead of discrete. Then the model assumes that the values sampled from the Gaussian distribution. Multinomial. The multinomial Bayes classifier is used to when the data is multinomial, distribute it primarily used for document classification problem. It means a particular document belong to which category, such as sports, politics, and etc., education, etc. The classifier uses the frequency of the work of the prediction. Binomial. The binomial classifier works similar to the multinomial classifier, but the prediction variable independent Boolean variation. Thus, if a particular word is the present or not document, this word is forms for document classification text. Now we are going to implement of the Bayes algorithm using Python. This is a step in the data pre-processing step. fitting the Navier Bayes test data, predict the test result, test assessment of the result, and visualization. This is the first step we are going to do. Data pre-processing step. First, import the libraries, NumPy, Pandas, Matplotlib, and then import the data set. Then splitting the data, train and test data. Then the features of scaling, SQL and pre-processing, import the standard for scalar. Then output of the data set. This is the data set. This is converted into CSV file. Then we are fitting the Navier Bayes theorem. For sklearn is the Navier underscore Bayes is important Gaussian NB. Classifier is designed as Gaussian NB. Classifier fit x is the training, y is equal to train. Then predict the test result of this is the x is equal to x underscore train. Predict the classifier rate. This is the predict value. Then creating the confused matrix. Then visualize the result training. This graph is represented the Navier Bayes classification segregated the data points with the life boundary. In the Gaussian curve, this is Gaussian curve. NB classifier is our code. This is the Gaussian curve. This is representing as the code. Then we are discussing about this. This graph is this is the output of the Navier Bayes classes. Then we are going to move out the what is mean by classification. We are previous videos we are discussing about classification, regression separately. Now upcoming videos we are discussing about what is the difference between both classification and regression. See you in next video, guys. Bye.